Guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none here. I'm doing a very specific video on this steering wheel lock. Okay, I want you to get yourself one. I've got it locked on my vehicle here, so the steering wheel doesn't go anywhere. And take it off. You grab your key, you push it in here, push it down, and turn. Pops right out of your seatbelt. All right, that's all there is to it. This loop-de-loop comes right out. You just pull it out, comes right out. To set it up, you pull that loop through your steering wheel, push this other half through, and pull. Pull it tight, and go ahead and stick it into where your seatbelt is received, down here, okay? That's all there is to it. It's locked up. All right, don't forget to order one. You'll find the link in the description below. Click that link and get yourself one today. All right, thumbs up. See you on the next one. Thanks, guys.